What is popping, guys, and welcome back to another tattoo tips video. Today's video is going to be on black, more specifically why you should not be scared of using black, as I know some of you are definitely scared of using black because I've seen it in your critiques. I've seen it. You are scared of black. Also, guys, there is going to be a giveaway in this video, so stick around till the end to find out how to actually win this bad boy right here. I've been in New Orleans. Okay, if you're still here, then I kind of gather that you struggle with this problem. Now, black is an absolute fundamental when it comes to black and grey. There's a reason it's called black and grey. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply these things to black and grey because I do black and grey. Do not worry, if you are a colour guy, you can get something from this. Black is an absolute fundamental when it comes to tattooing. Black is the very thing that holds a tattoo together. You've got your old boys that do the traddy bangers, they use black lines. You've got your realism guys like myself who use black to add contrast into a piece, or they use black at the side of light to hold the light together. Black is the single greatest thing that you can use in a tattoo, but it's also one of the scariest things to use. Now, generally people get into the fear of using black because it's black. You know, they think that putting that into skin, it's instantly going to become super black. And then they tend to do it, and then what happens is the person's skin that they are tattooing starts to get irritated. So it makes the black look darker than it really is. And then you'll go through the tattoo, maybe 2 to 3 hours further into a tattoo, and then you'll look back down and you'll realize, hang on a minute, that isn't quite as dark as what it first was. Maybe I need to go darker. But there's something still stopping you, and you tend to just not do it. You think, no, it'll be fine. But not only that, if you have left that area for a good few hours and you need to go back, then that's going to be, you know, a lot more painful for the client. So you might not want to do that also. Now, what I've done is I've tried to put this video together to show you why you should not be scared of black and why you should not be scared of using black. What I did is I set up a simple test. You know, you can also do this test in your studio. All you do need is some fake skin, some needles, and some black. And you can do the exact same thing if this video is not good enough for you. But the simple test that I did was make 3 squares of black. And I used 3 different separate needles. Now, the 3 squares of black that I did are completely packed in. They are the blackest of the black what I could get with that pigment that I was using. And the reason I did that is because I wanted to show you something to compare against. So as you can see now, I am using the 7 curved mag, and I'm just brushing over the top with straight black, doing my back and forth motion, which I would do with any single tone. And as you can see, it is not black. If you compare it against the black below, you can clearly see that it is not black. It's nowhere near as dark. Now, like I said, this is a 3 needle experiment. So next we're going on to the 15 curved mag bug pin. So here's the 15 curved mag bug pin in action. I am doing nothing different. The voltage has not changed, my hand pressure has not changed. Now, as you can see, the 15 mag is even slightly lighter than what the 7 mag was. This is because the 7 mag needles are obviously closer together, so it's a lot more dense than what the 15 is. Now, swiftly moving on to the 23 mag, again, everything is the same. It is just a different needle size. Using my back and forth motion, different directions if I need to. But as you can see, compare it to that black on the lower, it is super light. And that is my point, guys. This is why you do not need to be scared of black. Black can be used as a dark tone. It's as simple as that. Your black, whatever black you use, again, will not be black unless it is packed into the skin like you would do with the blackest of black on the tattoo. Now what I also did is I took a light to medium wash, shaded with that medium wash, and then what I did is used the black, straight black, to shade at the side of it to show you a comparison against the lighter wash. And then what I did is I packed in the black at the side of the black that I just used to shade with, again to show you the difference, and then blend from that packed black into the shaded black into the light to medium tone. Now the gradient here is quite significant, but I think it gets my point across that you can use black as a shading tone and you do not need to be scared of it. When it comes to tattooing in black and grey or colour or whatever you are doing, black is and always will be your best friend when it comes to the longevity of a tattoo. If you're doing black and grey and you are using grey and you are using minimal black, then that tattoo is not gonna hold. It just isn't. It may look good when it's done, and then it may look good for like a year or so when it's healed, and you may think, yeah man, but I pretty much guarantee that in 3 to 5 years time, when that tattoo has had sun damage and any other, like, you know, damage that could possibly happen to the skin, that tattoo is not going to be there. I mean, it'll be there, but it's certainly not going to be what it was like on day one. Black will solve that problem. You will be able to do a tattoo and your tattoo will hold for years and years and years against the sun, against the elements, against anything that client can put their skin through. And it's exactly the same when it comes to color. Color realism uses black. You may not see black in the actual color realism piece, but I can almost guarantee that black is there in the darkest colors that they are using. Even if they do black and then blend off of black, or they, you know, dip in a color and then dip in black just to make it darker, so you've got black with a hint of the color that they are using. Color realism uses black. Neotrad uses black. I don't know if I'm getting this across, guys, but seriously, everything in tattooing revolves around that one thing, and that is black. So guys, when it comes to a critique, when you are sending me your tattoos in for a critique video, or you're sending me messages over Instagram for a critique or anything like that, the one thing that I don't want to be saying to you guys now this video is out is you need to be using more black. Right guys, it is competition time. Now I said that I would be doing a giveaway, and it is a giveaway, so it's not exactly a competition, so to speak, but I did a review on the Hummingbird Bronc a few videos ago, and I said that I would be giving it away. This is your chance to receive this bad boy right here. If you want to watch the review, it is here, but guys, it is a pretty good machine. Anyway, how can you win this bad boy? Well, all you need to do is comment on this video and like the video. That is all you need to do. Bonus points if you go over to Instagram and follow me on there also. Drop a comment, any comment. There's no specific comment, no specific word, nothing. You just need to like the video and drop a comment on the video, and a random winner from those comments will be picked. But there it is, guys. Bosh. Now, it doesn't matter where you are, whether you're in the UK or you are overseas. Do not worry, I will get this machine shipped to you if you win. All that I would need is for you to provide me a delivery address via Instagram. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Again, don't be scared, homie. Don't be scared. If you are new around here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to go over to my Instagram, drop me a follow. Don't forget to turn on bell notifications to get notified every time I upload a new video. But guys, I shall see you all in the next one. Peace. See, I would usually do like the hand thing, but do you know what? I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to get up. I'm just going to walk off.